guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. So today what we're gonna do is, my bad y'all, I had to get my shirt together because it was choking me, sis. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is do a wash and go. You probably already knew that from the title. However, we are going to use the Harabi Beauty Moisture Madness Leave-In Conditioner along with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Braidout Glaze. Now, I have used this Braidout Glaze before a couple times on my channel. I've used it for a wash and go as well, and wash and go was hella bomb, okay? But I have not used it since I have fresh color. Well, it's not really fresh anymore, but since I have more colored hair than black hair or whatever, I haven't used it since then. So I do want to see if it has the same effect, if it, gives me the same thing, because we all know with color treated hair, it's just a little bit different. And you get the real deal out of a product. You see if it has moisture, if it's gonna pack it in, like what it's really gonna do. So I did apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower, y'all. I went ahead and did that, so that is what is sitting on my hair right now. I will go ahead and insert a clip of that right now. So now we're back, okay? Y'all, let me tell you something. My curls is low-key popping up under here already without even applying this Braidout Glaze, but this Braidout Glaze is about to add this spa gel. It does give me like bomb moisture normally. And yeah, just all the things you need. So sis, let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all, I know y'all see how the curls are giving right now. Like, shout out to Harabi Beauty. Like, y'all gotta stop sleeping on these small brands, because listen, they the ones. Like, they have all the good stuff in their products, first of all, because they really care about you and your hair. It's a black-owned business. I mean, it's a female-owned business. It's just a whole lot that goes into it, I just feel like when you work with like smaller brands or use things from smaller brands or whatever, they definitely deliver when it comes down to products, to moisture, to just like everything you need, y'all. My hair looks so good, and I don't have anything. Girl, it looks so good. Like, y'all know I don't hype up a product. I just ain't gonna do it. I don't want to. I don't like that. So I don't play like that, okay? Wow, my hair just looks so good, y'all. Oh. Y'all, I had this same results, like same situation. My hair was black the last time I used this Harabi Beauty leave-in or whatever. I do have a video of that on my channel too, and I will be sure to link it. I think it's up here, so I'll be sure to link that up above as well. But y'all, like, every time the curls are popping, the curls are coming through. Like, I don't need no creams. Sis, I feel like today is just about to be a really, really good hair day. Like, I feel like I'm not about to have to shingle, which is great, because I don't want to shingle, y'all. And my curls already popping, so I just feel like I'm about to just rake it smooth and go on about my business. But we gonna see. So if you've never seen the Tropical Moringa Braidout Glaze before, this is the consistency. Like, it is really, really gooey and just slimy, all the things. But I mean, the moisture, baby, it's unmatched, okay? I feel like I might have a little too much moisture today, because with the Moisture Madness leave-in, this, girl, I don't know. We'll see what's about to happen. But I'm confident in this. Like, I should have spritzed my hair with water first. Girl, who you thought you were? Cause it's like, oh. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna spritz her with a little bit of water because that's what I normally do. So let's not get wrong. Wow. Wow. I definitely do have to apply water first because my hair will like get way down so fast. It doesn't matter what I put on it. And I think I put it a little bit much on there, but the curls speak for themselves. It's like, I don't have to say much. Let me do another section so you guys can see like that is actual factual and it's not like me just hyping it up. Oh, spritz myself right in the eye. My hair is already like soaked and I hope I don't have this stuff all over these black pants that I have on because I'm gonna have to change and I'm gonna be mad. I need to get a t-shirt or something or towel, something to be in my lap because, girl. Hold on for a second. Okay, I have my towel now so I can just go crazy. To put this gel in my lap. I hope I'm not using entirely too much product too because I did put a lot of leave-in because normally when I apply my leave-in in the shower, I just use so much more. That's kind of why I stopped doing it. And then I just put it on outside the shower and just let it sit for a little while. But listen, leave-ins in the shower is definitely a game changer for your wash and go. So I do like to do it every once in a while. I just stopped because I just use so much product. But I mean, not like I couldn't stand to finish. Oh, come on, curls. Don't play with it. Y'all. Wow. I said I wasn't gonna shingle, but it's like I just can't help it, y'all. Wow, that looks so good. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, I am so excited for this wash and go. This is about to look so good. Who do I think I am, okay? So you guys, this is what my hair is looking like right now and it looks good. Like, if I do say so myself, you know, it looks good, okay? I definitely think that this is about to be a bomb combo. A bomb combo because the moisture is there. The curls are popping, okay? And yeah, we just looking good, okay? We looking good. I did go ahead and decide to do a side part today because, girl, the middle part was getting played. I mean, I've been doing that a whole lot. And really, I have a permanent part there now. So, I'm going to try to get rid of that. And my hair starts to, like, either thin out or kind of like get weak when I start to do the same thing to it over and over and over again. I really don't have as much of a curl in the middle as I used to. It's coming back though. It looks like the protein deep conditioners and stuff that I have been using, they are definitely like bomb, okay? The deep conditioner that I used right before this, I definitely feel like it strengthened my hair more so than moisturized, so my curls were like already popping from that too. So I definitely feel like it's doing better and it's starting to curl back up or whatever, but I don't want that permanent part right there, and I also don't want it to be so weak in that spot. So I'm definitely trying to switch it up just a little bit, but y'all already know I'm gonna go back to a middle part because it's just my thing. I just love it, okay? Anyway, you guys, I am loving what this is looking like so far. I will definitely come back when it is dried and stretched and just, I'm looking like somebody. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully, we have another bomb combo in the books, y'all, because we love a good bomb combo, okay? We love a good wash and go, period, over here, sis, okay? So I will see you guys tomorrow when hopefully I'm looking like someone. You guys, I am actually loving the way my hair turned out. Like, ma'am, hello, it's the curls for me, okay? Like, bomb curl poppage. Like, this combo took the top spot. Like, I definitely want to say that this is the best combo I've done in, maybe like a year at least. Like, it looks good. I did have to band it or whatever last night, but that's it. I just banded it, picked it out a little bit, you know, did a little fluffing. It'll grow and get longer and just get bigger or whatever over time, and that's okay. Like, I'm here for it. My hair does feel super duper soft and moisturized. It just feels so good, y'all. I mean, the combo, it's the combo for me, okay? The combo. The Harabi Beauty Moisture Madness leave-in conditioner never disappoints. And also the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Braidout Glaze never disappoints. That's exactly why it's empty right now, okay? It just, y'all, these are two things that, sorry I held up for it. These are two things that never disappoint. And together, they just like, they making statements, okay? The only thing is, I wish I would have done my bang like different. I missed my middle part already because I just hate hair in my face. But it's something different, and I ain't really all the way mad about it, you know what I'm saying? But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out of here. And I will see you guys in my next one.